Digging and main excavation. Clearing the area. The builder starts by laying down a tarp next to the massive tree stump to hold the soil. The main pit. He clears away the top layer of dirt and leaves, then begins digging a large, deep rectangular pit directly adjacent to the base of the stump. Tunneling in. Once the pit is deep enough, he picks out a curved entry archway into the side of the wall that connects into the hollow inside of the tree stump. Creating the clay fireplace and chimney. Frame construction. He bends several flexible wooden rods into loops and embeds them into the earth walls to act as the internal framing for a fireplace. He reinforces this archway structure with a woven grid of sticks secured with twine. Clay layering. Using wet clay, he packs the substance tightly over the wooden structural grid to build a smooth, rounded fireplace interior and exterior. The chimney. Outside, he uses a hollow log structure to build a tall, vertical chimney tube directly connected to the fireplace below, packing it with clay to insulate and seal it. Wall finishing and flooring. Plastering. He shapes out a rectangular section on the dirt wall and paints a white plaster-like substance over it and onto the top surface of the fireplace to brighten the room and create a clean look. Log flooring. He chops up thick logs into flat, circular wood rounds. These are fitted closely together across the entire floor of the pit. Grouting. To secure the wood rounds, he tightly packs green moss into the gaps between the logs to form a smooth, insulated forest floor. Roof construction and camouflage. Support beams. Heavy logs are laid horizontally across the top opening of the pit to serve as the roof beams. Waterproofing and insulation. He covers the logs with thick layers of tree bark to create a solid ceiling, then shovels the excavated dirt back over the top. Natural blend. He scatters dead leaves and forest debris across the roof so that from ground level the shelter blends seamlessly into the surrounding forest floor. Final setup and comforts. He weaves a custom wooden hatch covered in moss to act as a hidden entrance directly through the hollow opening of the original tree stump. Inside, he carves out a dirt shelf to set up a video projector, plugs in a PlayStation console, turns on a lantern, and is able to relax, cook a meal, and play video games next to the warm fireplace. You can watch the complete 10-minute build sequence in the full video here.